When we moved in, the house needed a lot of work. The windows were old sash and case windows. Only one of the windows had been recently replaced, but the rest of them either didn't open, were rotten, or were actually stuck open. I mean, you could feel the windows rattling when it was windy, so we really wanted, when we moved in, to change that to make it feel a lot more homely. We started doing a lot of DIY work, so we were walking through B&Q and we ended up chatting to the salesperson there. And we're like, we actually really want to do windows in our house, we really need it. After we had the consultant come to the house, we had a really good chat with him, and straight away we signed the paperwork pretty much that day. It sounded really great. So Scottish company, Scottish Windows, that's what we were wanting to do. So when the rep came to the house, he explained really clearly like all the stages that we would go through. So from the people coming to do the measurements for the windows, from the installation times. I mean, we had the dates given to us pretty much that day. So we were able to plan ahead, get the dogs out of here. All the fittings we got to see, we were able to choose like the finishes and the colors pretty much that day. So it was really simple. Even throughout the planning, we were getting phone calls from C.R. Smith saying, we've got the planning, this is where we're at, and this is going to be the date for installation, so it couldn't have been easier. As soon as they got in, we thought that maybe there would be like a little bit of time before they started, but before I knew it, there was like a window out. It was quite exciting to see such a change, even on the first day. I mean, the first day, that was our top floor with windows, and we got to sleep there that night and feel like double glazing in the windows already, so that was amazing. The decorating was really easy. They did a really great finish on all of the windowsills and everything. They were super efficient with everything they were doing, because we had 2 guys in all the time, so there was always something happening either in the garden or inside. It was great. So first off, we barely hear anything outside because we were getting a lot of dogs barking and just general outside noise. And like I said, the windows were physically rattling when it was windy. So we don't get really any of that anymore. The house is much warmer, it feels much more contained. And from a privacy point of view, to not have somebody looking in your bathroom is so much more delightful. If somebody was going to be doing a renovation of either like one windows or the full house of windows, we would definitely recommend it. It was super easy, it was super quick, and we've got the payment plan, so we are a year before we need to starting to pay that off. So we're really delighted with that. We couldn't have asked for a better service.